Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a quick review of this, not sure how to pronounce correctly, Gedore oil can. It says Germany but made in Czech Republic, so Germany company. Here's the details. Very nice can, fits in your hand, kind of small. Brass construction here, plastic. Very solid construction, you know, you can't complain about. You can read there is a, seems like this part here unscrews and screws back, so to prevent any dirt getting inside there, probably. Well, we're gonna find out. Let's add favorite oil and see how it works. So we added oil, even though it looks like honey, but it's not a honey. I'm gonna put this back. Let's see, we have a good sample. Okay, I'm gonna unscrew it. Definitely controlled. Yep, you screw it so dirt doesn't get in. Very nice design. Definitely a product I can to have. Small, you can control how much you want. You can talk. Very nice. So don't forget to pick up one of those for yourself. Thanks for watching.